One, two. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bernadette Tamparong, and my topic is all about area. Now, let us discuss what is area of rectangle, area of square, area of parallelograms, area of triangle, area of trapezoid, and area of circle. So, the area of rectangle, we simply multiply its length and width. So the formula of area of rectangle is length times width. So we have our width is 3 and our length is 5. So just simply multiply 5 times 3 is equals to 15 square units. Then the area of square, we have the formula of area is equals to side times side. So we have four column, then we have 4 rows. So just simply multiply 4 times 4 is equals to 16 square units. Then our area of parallelograms, we have a formula of area is equals to base times height. Base times height.
Go.
We have 7 millimeter height, then 11 millimeter base. So our formula is area is equals to base times height. So our base is 11, then our height is 7. So 11 times 7, we have the answer is 77 millimeter. So, area of triangle. The formula is A is equals to 1/2 times base times height. So, we have our base is 10, then our height is 12. So, area is equals to 1/2 base 10 times height 12. So just the 1/2 of 10 is 5. Then bring down 12. So times 5 times 12 is equals to 60. So the answer is 60. So the area of trapezoid, the formula is area is equals to 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times height. So this will be our base 1. Then this will be our base 2 and our height. So the base 1 is 8, then the base 2 is 12, then our height is 10. So copy the formula, then bring down 1/2, then 8 is the base 1, then plus 12 is the base 2 times 10. So bring down 1/2, then 8 plus 12 is equals 20 times 10. So, the 1/2 of 20 is 10. So, 10 times 10 is equals to 100. Then, the area of circle, the formula is area is equals to pi radius squared. So, the circle, ang atong circle, then ang center sa atong circle, padulong diri is that what we call radius. Then ang diri nga side padulong sa baba, mao siya gitawag nato og diameter. So let's answer this one. So find the area of a circle with a radius of 6 cm. So ang ato ang kaning formula area is equals to pi radius squared. So kay given ang atong pi is given niya nga value is 3.14. So dili na gyud na siya mausab. So mao to nga ang ato ang pi nga 3.14, then ang ato ang kaning radius nga 6 cm, then squared. So bring down 3.14, then 6 cm times 6 cm, then bring down 14, then 6 times 6 is equals to 36, then centimeter times centimeter is equals to centimeter squared. So now, let's multiply the 3.14 times 36. So, naatay answer nga 113.4. So, the answer is 113.4 centimeter squared. So, number 2 is find the area of a circle with diameter of 6 centimeter. But first, kinahanglan pangitaon sa nato ang atong radius. So, mao to nga diameter divide 2. Ang diameter nato nga 6, then divide 2. So, 6 divide 2 is equals to 3. So, ang atong radius is 3. So, nakuha naman nato atong radius. Balik ta sa ato ang kaning formula nga kaning pi radius squared. So, ang ato ang kaning pi nga 3.14, then ang ato ang kaning radius nga 3 centimeter, then squared. So, bring down 3.14, then 3 centimeter times 3 centimeter. Then, 3.14, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, centimeter times centimeter, we have centimeter squared. So, 3.14 times 9, we have 28.26. So, the answer is 28.26 centimeter squared. So, thank you.